Let's put a little tightness on it. Hold it down. Now there is, not sure how many feet are in this bad boy, but 3. Hopefully we have enough. So there's no waste. What you do is you just put it back in the container and use it for next time. You don't want to piece one up in the middle, I wouldn't think, with the bumper, but if you had a bolt and you were going to keep your bolt on the edge, you could run one up and then bolt it if you were, if you had an issue, you didn't have enough, or you didn't want to, so on and so forth. With this one here, I'm going to, thank you, sweetheart, my lovely assistant. She's going to hold that for me. With this one here, I'm going to, seems to go down there nice, so I'm just going to put it on. Now, this one gets easier because this one here just runs along the side of this one. Oh, let's make it easier. Put it down a little bit further. It's thicky stuff. It's thicky. I'll do all that in the end, I guess. I'll just put something across it and do it in the end. Want to get it over tight. You also could just run strips and show paint in between if you wanted to. If you know what I'm trying to tell you, you could run strips and throw paint in between it. I have to go that way. Just let it turn that way, if you will. I can put it on this. Okay, so you just kind of run it along so it goes straight with the other piece. You could run a strip, have paint in between each one, and do it that way. It's all up to the eyes of the beholder. Yeah, and it is in the eyes of the beholder because you can do it any way you want to. I'm hoping that I can get 2 pieces. Well, I might not be able to get that. I wonder if I got enough. I'm going to cut that, do that in the end. That's not good. That's not good at all. That's not good at all because I'm not going to get. I didn't buy enough to get the stripe all the way across. You want to hold that, sweetheart? I don't think it's not enough, I'm pretty sure. By how much?
4 inches.
4 inches, okay. That's fine. We'll deal with it. I should have done the smaller bumper. Huh? I don't know if I want to change the chrome or not. So, where I've done that, where I'm looking at it, when I'm doing it right now, this bumper must be a little bit